Indoor cooking fuels, a hidden hazard for child development? In our homes, we often take comfort in the familiar hum of daily activities. The clattering of pots and pans, the sizzle of a gas stove. But what if these common sounds, rooted in the act of preparing a meal, hold a secret that impacts our children's growth? Researchers at the University at Buffalo delved into the world of indoor air pollution to understand its effects on early childhood development. The findings are quite revealing. While it's a known fact that cigarette smoke is harmful, especially during pregnancy, our kitchen stoves might be covert culprits too. The researchers point out that gas stoves are significant contributors to indoor carbon monoxide and nitrogen dioxide levels. Think about it. Many of us use these stoves multiple times a day, while our infants and young children stay indoors. But it's not just about the gas stove. Any unclean cooking fuel, propane, wood, and others, could pose developmental risks. In the study, children exposed to these pollutants faced increased developmental delays. Over a fifth of the women in the study reported exposure to passive smoke during pregnancy. A stark reminder that secondhand smoke is another menacing indoor air pollutant. So, the next time you fire up your stove or witness a puff of smoke indoors, think about the invisible footprint it leaves behind. Our homes should be safe havens, and we must ensure the air our children breathe helps them flourish, not falter. What are your thoughts about this research? Drop us a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more neuroscience news updates.